Good morning, students. Welcome to BSc 1 Geology class. Myself, S.M. Solatur, Professor in Geology. So, students, now I am going to give you a brief introduction of geology subject. This year, the syllabus is slightly changed. The syllabus is made on choice-based credit system, BSc program with optional subject geology. So this will be in force with this will be coming in force with effect from academic year 2020-21 onwards. So for semester 1 geology, the subject title of the paper is Animal Discovery. It carries 100 marks, practical 50 marks, total geology subject, theory plus practical together, it is for 150 marks. Theory 100 marks is divided into 20 and 80, 20 marks from IA internal assessment and 80 marks from theory exam. So both together it comes 100 marks. Then for practical 50 marks is divided into 10 and 40. 10 is from IA internal assessment and 40 is from your actual practicals. So total it becomes 50, 100 theory, 50 practicals, both together 150 marks for each optional subject. So this year the syllabus is made on credential base. Subject credits are there. For theory 3 credits are given, for practical 1 credit for each optional subject. So total credits 4 points for each optional subject. Okay, let us see the syllabus. So first semester BSc Geology, paper code. This is the paper code. Teaching hours 4 hours per week. Total hours of teaching 60 hours. Paper title Animal Diversity. Marks for theory 80 marks, IA 20 marks, total 100 marks. Credits 3 credits are given. So the entire syllabus, geology syllabus, is divided into 4 units, such as unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3 and unit number 4. So for first semester you are going to study the entire invertebrate and vertebrate groups of animals. So first unit, under this first unit, first chapter is Kingdom Protista. So here you are going to study general characters and classification up to classes with one example for each class. Locomotion in protozoa. You know what is meant by Protista. See, all organisms, living beings, have been classified into 5 kingdoms. Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Mycota, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. So Kingdom Protista includes all unicellular, eukaryotic, microscopic animals. So here you are going to study general characters and classification up to classes with one example for each class, right? And locomotion in protozoa. So you are going to study the general characteristics and classification of phylum Protozoa. Next, phylum Porifera. So in phylum Porifera, again you are going to study general characters, classification up to classes with one example for each class. Canal system in Cycon. Cycon is taken as a type study for the phylum Porifera. There you are going to study the canal system in Cycon. Next, phylum Cnidaria, general characters and classification up to classes with one example for each class, right, from Cnidaria. Then polymorphism. Polymorphism is a common topic found in phylum Cnidaria. So the organisms, animals that come under phylum Cnidaria show this type of behavior, polymorphism. Then phylum Platyhelminthes. Phylum Platyhelminthes, you are going to study general characters, classification up to classes with one example for each class. Parasitic adaptations. So most of the animals belonging to phylum Platyhelminthes are leading parasitic life. Then how they are adjusted to parasitic life, what type of adaptations they have developed, that you are going to study under this phylum. Next, phylum Nemathelminthes. Here also you are going to study general characters, classification up to classes with one example for each class. So life history of Ascaris, parasitic adaptations in roundworms. See, Nemathelminthes means the roundworms. Life history of Ascaris. Ascaris is a roundworm. Ascaris life history you are going to study here, and parasitic adaptations in roundworms. Ascaris is also a parasitic worm. It lives inside the intestine of human beings. So how this has developed the parasitic adaptations that you are going to study. That all chapters come under unit number 1. Unit number 2 includes 4 chapters. Phylum Annelida, general characters, classification up to classes with one example for each class. Metamerism in Annelida. So characteristic feature of Annelida is metamerism. Then phylum Arthropoda, general characters and classification up to classes with one example for each class. Then metamorphosis in insects. Okay, metamorphosis in insects you are going to study. Next, phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca, general characters, classification up to classes with one example for each class. Torsion in gastropods. Gastropodons are the molluscans wherein the body is turned as a spring-like manner. In a spring-like manner, this is called torsion, that you are going to study in phylum Mollusca. Then phylum Echinodermata, general characters, classification up to classes with one example for each class. Here you are going to study water vascular system in Asteroidea. Water vascular system found only in phylum Echinodermata. Torsion in gastropodons found only in Mollusca. Metamorphosis in insects is seen only in Arthropoda. Okay, next, unit number 3. Unit number 3 has different phylas. Phylum Chordata. So up to the second unit, you are going to study the all phylums that come under invertebrates. Then unit number 3 includes chordate divisions. Phylum Chordata. Here you are going to study characters of chordates, differences between chordates and non-chordates, general features of Protochordata, brief note on Hemichordata, Urochordata, Cephalochordata. Next, Ergnatha and Gnathostomata. You know the difference between Ergnatha and Gnathostomata. Ergnatha means without jaw. Jawless animals. Jawless animals come under group Ergnatha. Then another group is Gnathostomata. Gnathostomata animals possess jaws. They are jawed animals. So general features of Ergnatha and Gnathostomata. Classification of cyclostomes up to classes. Cyclostomes come under Ergnatha. Okay. Then Pisces. Pisces means fishes. General features and classification up to living orders. Scales in fishes, migration in fishes. Okay. So next, amphibians. Amphibia, general features and classification up to living orders. Parental care in amphibians. So well studied parental care is seen in class amphibians. Okay, reptiles, reptilian general characters, classification up to living orders, differences between poisonous and non-poisonous snakes. Yes, snakes come under reptiles. Snakes, lizards, turtles, tortoises, they all come under class reptiles. Then snake bite and treatment. General topic they have given here. Snake bite and treatment. So, what are the available treatment for the snake bite that you are going to study under this chapter? Then the last unit, unit number 4, includes two classes, aves and mammals. So, from aves, you are going to study general features, salient features of Passeriformis, Pisiformis, Columbiformis. So, 3 groups of birds you are going to study in detail. Then mammals. In mammals, you are going to study general characters, salient features of monotremes, marsupials, insectivora, rodentia, Perissodactyla, Chiroptera, Edenta, Cetacea, primates with one example for each. Ear ossicles in mammals. General topic they have given, ear ossicles in mammals. So this is about the entire syllabus of zoology for semester 1. So this year you are going to study only the invertebrates and vertebrates in detail. You have already studied these 2 groups in your previous classes, but the depth of the information is more here as compared with the previous classes. So the first semester includes, it gives you information regarding invertebrates and vertebrates of animals. So in the next class, in the next video, I will be dealing with, or I will be discussing with kingdom Protista. So kingdom Protista includes unicellular, eukaryotic, microscopic animals, right? So animals come under, these animals, microscopic, unicellular, eukaryotic animals come under phylum Protozoa. Proto, first, zoons, animals, first appeared animals are unicellular. So they come under kingdom Protista. So we shall discuss on the protozoans in my next class. Thank you, students.